Hey everybody, I'm Veljko, and in this video I'm gonna be installing a sun strip or a tint strip on my windshield. And this is actually the one. I bought it on eBay for around $15, which isn't bad, but I only have one shot to install because this is a pre-cut. Now I'm a bit nervous because I've never tinted any window in my life, but I think it's gonna be an easy process. I picked the 5%. You can pick what's the percentage of the tinting that you want to be. I went very dark, but this windshield is so long and it's just, there's too much heat and UV light that goes through this big windscreen. So I want to, it's gonna be, I think, around up until here. Because I don't have my own garage, I came to this shopping center that's like my second home of how many videos I've done here. So I came here because there's no wind, no dust, because you don't want that while installing. But let me show you what I brought, what I need. So I have the soapy water in this spray bottle, the squeegee that I will remove the water once it's installed, some scissors. This is the tissue for wiping windows specifically that doesn't leave any fibers on the windshield. I also got some instructions, but I've seen enough YouTube tutorials. I think my installation is gonna be successful, but we'll see. And also some water for just in case. That's about it, so let's start installing. The tint is very secured, and let me show you. I'm gonna put it here. So it goes like this. I already cut here. I'm gonna put first the left part and then the right part. The next step is to clean the inside of the inside window before installing. So this is the new wipe. It's never been used, which is preferable. Good thing that this matrix, this black, I don't know how to call it, it's in between the two glass. Okay. Yeah, this windshield is a bit dirty, of course. It hasn't been cleaned for a while now. Clean around the edges too. Because once you put, there's not much room for fixing some imperfections, so be sure to clean it for 5 minutes if it takes. Now before I apply it, I need to spray with the soapy water so I can adjust to the ideal position. So wish me luck. Now I'm gonna apply it. If you're a professional, don't judge me. This is my first time. So you should take it. Be very careful. And apply it. Opa. Okay, not a very smart move by me. So you can adjust now that it has a soapy water. Just fine adjustments, a bit more up, and I think it's in the ideal position. I'm gonna take my squeegee and just firstly lightly apply and remove the water. You have to remove the water down. So let me just Just one more check before I do it. Yeah, it looks good. So just be patient, don't rush things. As you do it, you have to keep checking if while you're removing the water to check if the tint moved a little bit, but so far so good. Now I'm gonna put a bit more pressure just to remove all the water, and I think it's done. My hands were so shaking. The fitment is very precise, I have to say. I mean, you don't see any gaps here, like it's just perfect. And here we are on a bright sunny day. Although this is not the same day as when I installed the tint, I wanted to wait 10 days just to see if it's gonna hold up. I don't want to recommend you anything and make a video and then I see it starts to peel off or to deform, or I don't even know. But you can see it's holding very well. I'm so satisfied with the tint. This is, I think, a modification that every 207 owner should have, if it's of course legal in your country. Geesh, it's so hot today, I have to end the video quick. But if you want to buy the same tint like mine, sadly they're out of stock. I'm gonna put a link, but I hope the stock will be available soon. But as you can see from the inside, 5% is perfect. I'm gonna show you a difference. And if you ask me, I think the tint strip made the car look a bit better. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's not a big modification, but during these hot summer days, I think today is 40 degrees, so it really helps. Anyway, subscribe and stay tuned for more Peugeot videos. Take care.